It's that time of year again. Your gutters are probably starting to look like this. At Mendenhalls Gutter Cleaning Services, we understand the hassle. At Mendenhalls Gutter Cleaning Services, we'll get anything out of your gutters. We'll get the muck and guck and balls, cars, keys, rubber chickens, regular chickens. We'll clean out English muffins and Costco muffins too. This one's a little stale. Meet Chris, he's my helper.
What are you doing? What are you, no, what are you, no! Kids.
Mendenhalls Gutter Cleaning Service. We keep our minds in the gutter so you don't have to. Call or text today.
Yeah. Throw him the muffin, too. Yeah. They're stealing it from each other. Throw them some more. This neighbor girl, I think she just went running off to get her mom. Yeah, okay. I did that thing, right? Through the barrel, all that stuff. And I see, like, this girl over there, like, say, the granddaughter, just go running off. Balls. Are you in the scene? Are you stressed? Are you stressed? Here, come here. Are you stressed? Are you okay? You ready for this? This is your big break, you know? You get to be a movie star. Everybody on YouTube is gonna love you. Say hi. Wave or something. Here you go. No? Okay.
And you're like, God, you need to stop!